How to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank account. Now, it is possible to use WeChat Pay without linking a Chinese bank account. You simply have to add a credit card details. However, you have to know that there are some restrictions that will happen. WeChat Pay only accepts foreign credit cards and not debit cards. You will only be able to use WeChat Pay in stores and not for sending money to friends and family. Now, to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank account, you first of all want to launch open the WeChat app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the login option. If you do not have an account, tap on the sign up option. Now, you can sign up via mobile or via your Facebook account. Now, you want to enter all of the details that it requires. Now, once you have been logged into your account, before you can use the Money app, you will need to add a credit card. So for this, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Pay and Services option. Now, you want to tap on the Wallet option over here. Now, you want to tap on the Bank Card option. Then you want to tap on Add a Bank Card option. Now over here you want to enter your card information such as your card number and card type. Then tap on the Next option. Now you will have to follow the steps to verify the billing address, including entering an SMS verification code to your registered phone number. Once your credit card has been added, you will be able to use WeChat Wallet without the Chinese bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.